CCL residence by Pitta Arquitetura in Ubatuba, Brazil. Implanted a few meters from the beach, in a residential condominium in Ubatuba, north coast of São Paulo. Residence CCL was designed to be integrated with the exuberant nature of the location. The use of natural materials, large spans, and lots of transparency provided great integration with nature, which became the strong point of the project. The architectural solutions adopted in the project were designed considering the climatic characteristics of the location: tropical, hot, and humid climate, always seeking to create spaces with quality and energy efficiency. The residence was designed elevated from the ground to keep away moisture. High ceilings, large openings, and the use of articulated blinds allow for cross-ventilation and the entry of natural light into the spaces. These solutions, combined with the use of large eaves that control direct solar incidence in critical periods, and are effective in protecting against rain, provide great quality in the use of spaces both on hotter and rainy days. The house has a comfortable social area on the ground floor, integrated spaces, and lots of transparency generating spaciousness and allowing for excellent communication with the exterior. The large doors provide visual permeability, creating the sensation of a large balcony, connected to the garden full of tropical species that integrate perfectly with the preserved green area of the location. The private area of the house has 3 suites on the ground floor and a master suite on the upper floor. The ground floor suites were positioned on the east side, prioritizing the morning sun and the view of the surrounding forest. Seeking privacy, the master suite was positioned on the upper floor, also receiving the morning sun and offering a beautiful view of the native forest. The structural system adopted in this project is mixed, composed of concrete, steel, and wood, which creates lightness and allows the creation of a roof formed by large flat panels, positioned at different heights. This solution, in addition to creating openings that provide ventilation and natural light, creates a sense of lightweight between the volumes that make up the facades.